going on, everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video, what's going on is basically we're going to be discussing some upcoming sneakers of some 2027 releases, and that's basically what we got going on. Because I was kind of noticing the last couple weeks, I don't know if anybody else has noticed this too, but 2027 is looking really good. I mean, 2026 this year we've had a few good releases, but in 2027 I've seen at least 5 to 10 drops, and I'm like, okay, hold on. We're definitely going to be paying attention to these. So it looks like Nike is loading up a lot of heat for next year. And basically the topic of today's video is, well, we're going to get into all the good drops we got next year. I'll try and go over as many as we can. And yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy. Again, if you guys do want more sneaker content like this, then go ahead. Feel free to subscribe and like down below. Don't forget the normal goal we're always shooting for here in the channel is 300 likes. We can do that. That'd be great. If not, though, again, everything else is mentioned down below in my pinned comment. It is the last day to enter the blue tile SB Dunk on my Instagram. Go to my pinned reel, tag your 2 friends, and let me know why you want to win the pair. It's the last day you guys can win this, so make sure you guys go do that today. I'm going to be announcing the winner tomorrow, so make sure y'all not missing out on that. And Jordan 8 Chrome early review is going to be here on the channel in like the next couple days as well, so you guys will see that on feet review too. And yeah, don't miss any of the TikTok streetwear auctions down below if you ever want to come cop like some tees off us, things like that. We're gonna have some more of these I think early next week at some point, and some other brands too, so just check that out. We'll have another live today and some point this weekend, so hope to see you guys there. And yeah, that's everything. I hope you guys will enjoy. Let's get into it. Alright, so as you guys can see, I'm getting that screen recording up, and that should be on the screen right now. Taking a look at this, you guys can see here are just like a couple leaks we're going to discuss right off the bat. So we got this Nike Flyknit runner. You guys can see there's actually a decent amount of hype towards this, and there's also some other early drops there. So you guys can see the Air Birkins, a couple other pairs do. There's some Dunk Lows right there. It seems, I can't tell if that's a Nike SB. Nike Air. What is that? Oh, it's an Air Force. Okay, so we got like some sort of purple Air Force right there. That's probably like a Kobe collab. But this Nike Flyknit runner has some decent hype. That's going to be dropping spring 2027 in multiple colorways. I mean, if they're doing decent numbers on Twitter right now, that kind of lets me know, okay, they'll probably do well if they're dropping them early spring, summertime next year. These actually might flip for a little bit. But aside from that, we got boom, Jason Kidd's Nike Zoom Flight returning in spring 2027. Again, that's a huge release right there. I know those are definitely going to do well. I mean, just because, again, some people that had those way back in the day and they haven't dropped in like, you know, that long, you know what I mean? Yeah, there's definitely going to be some hype for a sneaker that hasn't dropped in 30 years. I'm just letting y'all know, or for its 30th anniversary. That's a very long time. Maybe they probably have done it, you know, within the past 30 years. But I'm just saying, for a 30th anniversary, you're going to see some hype. That's a long time for a sneaker to be around, right? But aside from that, we also got this Nike Air Bacon, not Birkin, sorry. This is another colorway you guys can see. We actually saw in this photo up here a second ago, right here, there. So you can see that Air Bacon colorway. These aren't bad. I'm not like, how can I put this? I'm not too huge about these just because they look kind of, how can I word this? These look a little bit out there, you know what I mean? But I'm sure they'll do decent. Like, people seem to like these. I've seen some hype for them on you know, Twitter. A couple colorways will probably do decent at least the ones they keep limited, right? If they do a lot of pairs of these, they're not going to do well because I just don't see a lot of people going out the way and buying these because they're just not super known at the moment. But maybe down the line, a lot of people will be wanting them. But I could see a decent amount of sales at first for them. Like, if we keep a couple colorways limited right at the start, that could lead to this shoe doing good over the time if they keep the first couple limited. If they do a huge stock in the first couple drops of these, it's going to kill any potential market for them to have, you know what I mean? But if they keep them limited, these will end up flipping for, you know, a little bit, you know what I mean? But if they drop a ton of stock, yeah, they're going to break instantly and not flip ever. So Nike, keep that in mind. I mean, you got to create some sort of hype for a new pair, you know what I mean? But aside from that, we also got this pair right here. You guys can see we got the Nigel Sylvester Jordan 7. This is going to be dropping spring 2027. I actually think I made a YouTube short on these. I don't know if that's been out in the channel yet. Maybe it dropped today or it might be tomorrow. But basically, these are going to be coming soon. They're kind of based off, you can see this like a Paperboy comic right here, I believe. That's what we got in terms of like the colorway overall. Or at least that's what people are comparing it to. I don't know if that's exactly what it's based off. But you guys can see we got the Bike Air heel. And this is just a mock-up at the moment. Being honest, like, we don't have any first look or, you know, early, like, you know, sketch or anything. This is just a mock-up, so this is potentially what it could look like. It's not like 100% confirmed, if that makes sense, but still a pair that 100% is gonna have a lot of hype in 2027, excuse me. I mean, you guys can see this year is already looking crazy, so yeah, we got some good drops on the way. Here's a first few. Next up, you guys can see someone was also rocking this print gradient foam posit colorway the other day. Also a pair that's not come out yet, but these are going to probably do pretty well. We haven't seen many foam posits like this. I imagine the ladies will probably like these a little bit too. So in small sizes, definitely would target these a bit as well. Like that 6, 7, 8, 6.5. Those are probably sizes that will do well, right? And then just in terms of like big sizes, they may do well also if they keep them limited, right? But with foam posits, they've been making a lot of them recently. So this one's a maybe, but we do have some hype on it. You can see 1,000 likes is not a little, and they actually look really nice on feet. So this is definitely one that I'd be looking to cop right there, right? You guys can see another look at the Nigel Sylvester Jordan 7, and this is probably one of the again, that's why I'm saying 2027 is crazy. We got some really nice foam posits. We got that Now to Sylvester collab. You can see we had those Air Bacons. There was one that I mentioned at the start. There was also a nice sneaker. And then we got the Sean Weatherspoon Nike Air Max 97 return. And not this exact colorway right here, right? But we're going to be getting a new colorway for this one right here. So if you have the old colorway, right, of the Sean Weatherspoon Nike Air Maxes, you're also going to be able to get the new one and have the set. So keep that in mind. We're getting a new colorway of these. And you can see 2027 is looking really big already. That's why I'm saying maybe Nike is just taking it a bit chill this year, kind of letting it pan out, not going too crazy, just, you know, letting the market tank down a little bit because they kind of know, okay, even if we go hard right towards the end of this year, the market isn't really gonna recover overnight. You know what I mean? It's gonna take at least a few months. So I think they're waiting until 2027 to do that, maybe, because it kind of seems like right now they aren't trying super hard, but they have been loading up some drops recently. So we'll see maybe if they can start going harder into the later part of this year. That'd make a lot of sense to me, considering you can see we're getting some crazy 2027 drops. So they have to have some hype, you know, heading into that year. You know what I mean? So hopefully Nike is thinking about that. Yeah, Sean Weatherspoon Air Maxes are coming back. I'm super excited to get these. I don't have the old ones, so I remember seeing them in hand because my friend had them. It just, they weren't my size, so I never really was able to get a pair. But I remember seeing the old ones, and they were so sick. So I'm hoping that, yeah, with this colorway right here, that the new one they're going to make, it's going to be just as nice. But it probably won't be just as nice. I'm not expecting that, but it'll probably be cool. So I'm ready for it. And it's also nice that Nike is finally doing something again with Sean Weatherspoon. People have been saying for years, Nike, do more with Sean Weatherspoon, and they hadn't. And finally they are. So thank you, Nike. Also, we got this Phoenix Sun colorway of Nike Air Foam Posits. I mean, again, you can see, like, look at these. The Do the Right Thing Air Jordan 3 coming back. We got this, like, you see how many crazy, like, look, crazy shoe, 2027. Crazy shoe, 2027. Crazy shoe, 2027. Crazy shoe, that's 4 in a row. I mean, 2027 is looking nuts. I'm like hype discussing it. You know what I mean? Like, that's 4 hype shoes in a row that I've discussed at the start of the year, spring or early summertime, right, for 2027. So just letting y'all know how good sneakers are looking for 2027. It's looking like a real good year, and I haven't even broken down everything yet. We haven't even seen anything SB related yet. You know what I mean? Like, we're still early. We're like halfway through the year right now, a little over halfway through the year, right? Or I guess a good way over halfway through the year. Probably like 60%, 70%, or not 70%, but 60-ish% through the year right now, right at 2026. And 2027 is already looking crazy. We already know 2027 is a good year based off the few shoes we've seen. You know what I mean? So, yeah, I mean, it's looking crazy. Look, foam posits, why are they going so hard with foam posits in 2027? Jeez, I'm going to start collecting foams. I'm going to start collecting foams in 2027. Get ready for the early reviews. I'm excited for that, man. Hey, bet. We're definitely going to be getting some of those next year, so get ready for the reviews on those. And yeah, we got to look at this. Start of the year, we get a Lil Wayne collab on some Jordan 4s, right? Higher retail, but, I mean, yeah, again, another one that's crazy right at the start of the year. You know what I mean? And then look, okay, these are Louis shoes, but no, again, 2027 shoe right there. I don't know what it is. Like, I'm just trying to show y'all everything right here. Okay, this is this year, so ignore that. But, yeah, man. 2027 is looking absolutely nuts. I mean, I tried to breeze through them kind of quick, but let's just go back to the top because we got a good view. We got the Do the Right Thing 3s here based off the movie Do the Right Thing. Pretty sick movie right there. So I like to make it a pair of Jordan 3s off this. Not every I am going to say this. Not every person that I've seen, well, I'm not expecting every person to like a shoe, right? But I've seen some people actually hating on these being made. I'm like, why? There's no reason for these to have hate. Like, this was a good movie. I liked it, you know, like, I really don't understand the hate for this shoe. It's a good idea, you know. It was a nice movie, and for people that like the movie now, they can get a shoe to go with it. You know what I mean? Rock it while they watch a movie, or whatever they want to do. You know, I really don't understand the hate for this. So yeah, it's a shoe. You know what I mean? These are really nice too. I like it. If you're a Phoenix Sun fan, mandatory. You know what I mean? If you're a big Sun fan, like this. Is this probably like they're literally calling them the Phoenix Sun foam posits, or they're probably gonna call it something very close to that. So you better go for these if you're a fan of that. You know what I mean? Sean Weatherspoons are back. Nike finally back with Sean Weatherspoon. Only like 4 or 5 years overdue, but you know, 4 or 5 years overdue. Fair enough. At least now is better than never. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to Nike. Glad we're getting those again. Now the Sylvester Air Jordan 6 Paperboy. I think I was saying Jordan 7 over and over. Hopefully I wasn't saying that too much. But these are Jordan 6s. Hopefully I wasn't saying Jordan 7 a bunch. I was just probably thinking about my Myros I got over there. But aside from that, the Flyknit runners, those look alright. I don't really understand. I think the ladies are just really going to like these. So go for the ladies' sizes in these. That's the main reason I think these got some hype. These also, same thing. But also go for the men's sizes. I'll probably make a review on these. I actually like these. Jason Kidd sneaker coming back after 30 years. These actually, I kind of like these. I don't know why. I kind of like these a bit. I might also get an early review for these going. We'll see. And then, yeah, the Air Bacons, and then, boom, everything else we got. I mean, 2027 is looking nuts. And, yeah, here, boom. I don't think this is, I don't think this is the Sean Weatherspoon Air Max we're getting. I'm just letting y'all know. I think that's just something else. But, yeah, look at this. Another SB. That's a great SB colorway. Perfect little GR chill colorway. Look at that purple. It's almost like one of those skunk SBs. But, I mean, not quite. You know, the green's not quite there. But, bro, I mean, like, 2027's insane. This is insane. I'm editing the screen recording there, but you can just see I'm already hyped for 2027. Like, I'm still gonna make the reviews on sneakers this year, right? But I'm just like, I'll still be hyped to make the reviews this year for the shoes. But man, I'm gonna be just looking forward to 2027. You see the shoes we got next year, bro? It is insane. Even if we just get a few of them, great year already. So very excited for that. Wanted to just mention that today in this video. Do not sleep in 2027 coming up. Get your money saved. Be saving at least a couple hundred each month, because next year you're probably gonna be having to spend a couple hundred each month, it looks like. So just be preparing for that this year, because this year you don't have to do that. But next year, if you're a sneakerhead for real, yeah, it's gonna be happening. Just letting you know. So yeah, that's really everything I gotta say, man. If y'all want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. No more goal we always shoot for here on the channel is 300 likes. If we could do that, that'd be great. If not, shout out my cat, being a good girl. Y'all see watching the video with us. She's actually sitting under my camera light right now. You doing good, big girl? Hi. Hey, you doing good? Good job being a good girl. We're recording today. My cat likes to walk around my feet and run around while I'm recording sometimes. So I'm really happy she was good today. She's just, you know, still a young cat, so energy, yeah. But we gotta also, my TikTok is down below if y'all want to check out any of the streetwear auctions. Come cop any streetwear off us. We're gonna be doing more giveaways today or this weekend, and also just running a ton of auctions if you like, you know, Supreme socks, tees, anything like that for the summer, back to school. Make sure y'all check that out. We got a lot of good gear for that at good prices, so don't miss out. All those $1 auctions, and we might do something on shout out the TikTok team, man. They've really been helping us out. So I just want to say thank you to them. We got so much more coming up. We're going to keep scaling up. If anybody's in Charlotte and is looking for work, please let me know. If you're in Charlotte, North Carolina, we're hiring. So if you're looking to come work with the team, kind of learn about the resale business, anything like that, please let me know. Or if you're close to Charlotte and you're willing to make some work happen, then let us know, because we'd love to add some people to our team. So please let us know. You come meet your baby Luna as well. Hi. Yeah, you want to come? You want to say hi to everybody that comes here? yeah. Luna will greet you like that. Or like that. Hi. Is that how you're gonna greet people? How you gonna greet people, Key? How you gonna greet people? Can you let me know? How you gonna say hi? Alright. Now my cat is being quiet, of course. When I want my cat to say something, she won't, but yeah, you know how it is. Alright. I'm T, thank you guys. I'll catch y'all in the next video tomorrow. And seriously, let me know. Hit me on my Instagram if you're interested in that opportunity at all. I'm seriously interested. I'm going to be mentioning it in the next few videos. North Carolina, Charlotte, nearby residents, let me know. We are looking for people that want to come work. So thank you guys. And yeah, that's it. I'll catch y'all next one tomorrow. Check out TikToks and Instagram, any of that down below. Love you guys. And this is Jordan 8 Chrome Review, which will be here in the next few days, just whenever I get it. All right. Peace out and catch y'all soon. Don't miss out, guys.